Hi everybody, it's me, Mrs. Salazar again, and I want to talk to you about solving for x in a linear inequality. Now, I have a video just like this with less steps. This one is a little bit more thorough. So I hope you enjoy. If you have any questions, of course, please leave a question or a comment below. All right, thank you. So we have this problem. 2 times parentheses 3x plus 1 parentheses greater than -4. So the first thing I want you to do is follow your order of operations, and we will multiply everything in the parentheses by 2. So we distribute 2 to the 3x and the 1. We get 6x plus 2 greater than -4. Now let's take the opposite of 2 on both sides of the inequality. So we're subtracting 2 from both sides, and we're going to use train tracks, and we get 6x greater than -6. We want to take the opposite of 6x. 6x means 6 times x, so divide by 6, and I use the fraction bar, divide by 6, and now we have x is greater than -1. That's half of our solution. We want to graph the rest of the solution on a number line. Okay, now notice here there's no equal bar under the inequality. So we use an open circle. So we put an open circle on the -1 and draw the arrow to the right, which is pointing the same direction as the inequality. And this only works, they point the same direction only when x is on the left side of the inequality. Okay. Thank you.